Good afternoon to one and all my dear students, respective dignitaries. Kamal sir, President of Sanskar International School. Pooja ma'am, Director of Sanskar International School. Vinod sir, Treasurer of Sanskar International School. Meena ma'am, HOD of the Science Department. Myself, Pragya ma'am, Principal of Sanskar International School. And my dear students, once again a very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome to this interactive podcast. Today here, before we begin, let us try to understand why we are here. We have participated in the British Council project, which is called as Recognition of International Dimensions. Now, what do we mean by the recognition of international dimensions? Whether you have students, we have taken 4 countries, that is China, India, Norway and Canada. Our topic is impact of climate change on the ozone layer. We have carried different activities. Yes, you all have researched on the 4 countries. Now, based on our learning outcome, the ask module, that is the attitude, then is the skills, and then is the knowledge of what you have researched. Okay, so along with our research, we also try to understand the SDGs of the 21st century. Okay, that is on the impact of the climate. Means the SDG 13, which is climate action. Yes, and SDG 15, that is partnership for the goals. Now, through this project, whatever we have done, the research, the different projects, what you as students have collaboratively participated. Today we are here with our school management. You as students, yes, you all have done your research, but you want their support for the sustainable goals. So you have certain questions, right? Yes. So today your questions, whatever you have in mind and whatever you have explored, whatever countries were given to you by your teacher, yeah, some of you must have given India, some of you. So through your interaction, today we try to understand and the impact of the climate change on the ozone layer, and with that we are definitely going to work on it, you as student and the management. So whatever queries you have today in your mind when you are exploring all this, yes, you are free to ask your questions. Yes. Over to you, students. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir and respected ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Ma'am, can you define ozone layer and its importance?
Ozone layer is a thin layer of gas in the Earth atmosphere. It is made up of ozone. The chemical formula of ozone, it is O3, and it sits about 10 to 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface, and its main job is absorbing the majority of the harmful sun's ultraviolet radiations. Without it, life on the Earth, animals, human beings, plants, would face severe consequences such as skin cancer, cataracts, or it may disturb the ecosystem also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected ma'am and respected sir. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. As we all know that how the ozone layer is discovered, can you highlight in brief, ma'am?
The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Besson. Later in 1920s and 30s, a British meteorologist GMB Dobson developed a spectrophotometer to measure ozone from the ground and laid the foundation for what we call now the Dobson unit, which is used for the ozone measurement. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good morning, respected sir and respected ma'am. Sir, do you know the reason what led to the damage of the ozone layer?
Good question here. The major culprit for all these things is CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. As we all know, these are all the man-made chemicals, and the major sources of this production are what we are using it is in day-to-day activities like in refrigerators, like ACs, aerosols, foam blowing agents. And these chlorofluorocarbons, when they enters into the Earth atmosphere, they interact with the ultraviolet rays produced by the suns, and this reaction lead to production of chlorine atoms. The chlorine atom itself is the big culprit and is responsible for all of the damages. To neutralize one chlorine atom, it causes damage to approximately 1 lakh molecules of ozone before it gets deactivated. So the chlorine atoms are the most important things which are produced from various chemicals nowadays used and causes damage to the ozone layer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected ma'am and respected sir. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Sir, what is Montreal Protocol and why is it significant?
Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987. The Montreal Protocol is a global agreement to phase out the use of, consumption and the production of chlorofluorocarbons. It is often called the most successful environmental treaty for so far. Every country in the world, including India, China, Norway, and Canada, is a part of it. Thanks to the Montreal Protocol, the ozone layer is healing up and could return to pre-1918 level around 1966.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Can you please discuss the role of India in Montreal Protocol?
India rectified protocol in 1992 and it has made substantially progress. It has phased out CFCs by 2010 ahead of a schedule. India also ratified Kegel Amendment. Now what is Kegel Amendment? This Kegel Amendment is the international agreement to phase down the consumption and production of HFC. HFC, it is the hydrofluorocarbon, the potent of greenhouse gas. It is a less harm to the ozone but a potent of greenhouse gas. And India is continuing to invest ozone safe technologies and public awareness. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected sir, and good afternoon, respected ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Ma'am, as you know about ozone layer and about the some countries and their contribution in the Montreal Protocol, can you tell how is China contributed in the Montreal Protocol?
Yes, very good question. China is the world's largest producer and consumer of ozone depleting substances. It has made under the Montreal Protocol, it has made drastic reduction. It has phased out CFCs by 2010. Actually, it actively phased out the HFC, though there were concern legal about CFC's 11 emission 2018, and China took enforcement action to shut down the reduced factory. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected sir, and good afternoon, respected ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Now, sir, let's know from you in Montreal Protocol of Norway efforts.
As okay. You are asking me regarding the Montreal Protocol? Yes. As you all know, Norway is the leading country in this, and he has taken the big steps in implementing the Montreal Protocol. It not only phase out the substances which are producing CFCs and hydrocarbons, but at the same time it is providing intellectual support, financial support to developing and underdeveloping countries through multilateral funds and the Montreal Protocols. Norway is also having strong contributions and actions on controlling HFC production under the Kigali Amendments.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, respected sir and respected ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Sir, let's not forget about Canada and its role in Montreal Protocol.
Canada was one of the first countries to recognize the danger of chlorofluorocarbons. It banned non-essential use of chlorofluorocarbon in late 1980s and was closely working with the US and other global partners to support the Montreal Protocol. Canada is also investing in climate friendly policies and continues to fund international ozone depleting programs.
Good afternoon, sir. Respected ma'am and sir. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Ma'am, can we come to a conclusion? How is the ozone layer healing?
Yes, slowly but surely. Thanks to the global cooperation, the ozone layer depleting substances are decreasing day by day, and the Antarctic ozone hole, a massive concern, is also showing signs of recovery. And if these efforts are continued, the ozone layer over much of the world could heal by 2040 and over the Antarctic by 2026.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected ma'am and respected sir. Jai Shri Krishna and Radhe Radhe. Before we wind up, can we stand up and take an oath?
It's a great question, dear children. Let's all take a note as we have participated in this project, and we will try to work it with whatever research work we have done. Indeed, it's a very great question what we as individuals should take the oath. Repeat after me. Use energy efficient appliances.
Use energy efficient appliances.
Avoid products with HFCs or unknown refrigerants.
Avoid the pesticides
Or unknown refrigerants.
or unknown refrigerants.
Support brand and policies
Support brand and policies
that are environmentally conscious.
that are environmentally conscious.
Spread awareness
Spread awareness
about the importance
about the importance
of protecting
of protecting
the ozone layer.
the ozone layer.
Thank you for the oath.
Thanks to all of you. The ozone layer study is a rare environmental success, showing that when earth science, policymakers, and peoples on the earth unite, think collaboratively, globally, solution begins. It begins with the solution, prevent ozone layer depletion. Thank you.
Thank you.